have some bad news, Elaine. It appears you will not be accompanying me to Africa.
What? Why not?
I'm afraid it's your urine, Elaine. You've tested positive for opium.
Opium?
That's right, Elaine. White Lotus. Yum yum. Shanghai Sally.
That's impossible. I've never done a drug in my life. Dr. Strugatz must have made a mistake.
Not a chance. I'm afraid I'll just have to find someone else to accompany me on my journey. The Dark Continent is no place for an addict, Elaine.
Obviously, Mr. Peterman, there's something wrong with this test. I don't take opium. How could I have tested positive twice? Once I can understand that's a mistake, but twice?
Yeah, it's hard to figure.
I mean, I've lost my job. I can't go to Africa. I was going to meet the Bushmen of the Kalahari.
Oh, the Bushmen?
And the Bushwomen.
Excuse me. I couldn't help overhearing. I noticed you're eating a poppy seed muffin there.
Yeah, I eat these muffins all the time.
Well, you know what opium is made from?
Poppies!
I wonder if you could fail a drug test by eating poppy seeds.
Oh yeah, I actually researched that.
Did you?
Yeah.
What did you find?
Well, I found that just by eating poppy seeds you can fail one, and that like if before you go to an interview or something, and if you've eaten poppy seeds, you should tell them because there's a likely chance that you'll fail the drug test.
Why poppy seeds?
Because there's opium in it, and opium can cause you to fail a drug test.
Opium. Okay. So should we do that for our myth?
I think it would make a good myth actually, get some pretty good results.
Yeah. Okay, so who's gonna eat the poppy seeds?
I don't know, it depends what it tastes like.
You wanna try out?
No thanks.
Okay, I guess I'll be the test subject and eat the poppy seeds.
Okay.
So what do we need for the experiment? We need drug tests.
Drug test. Should we
Right?
write this?
Yeah, we should write this down.
So we need drug tests.
We're gonna need poppy seeds, lots of poppy seeds.
Close. We need a plan, an experimental plan.
Okay, so let's start with our experimental plan. So we're gonna do teaspoons, right? Or we could figure out how much is on like a bagel or something, because people aren't just gonna eat a bowl of poppy seeds for breakfast. So let's say there's like a teaspoon of poppy seeds on every bagel. Let's start off with a teaspoon.
And then increase.
Increase every time. So let's do 1, 2, 4, and then let's try 6 teaspoons just to see what happens.
Okay.
And then
We should do it like after a certain number of, maybe like 20 minutes.
20 minutes, okay. And then let's try an hour.
And then like 6 hours maybe?
That's good. And then we should see if it's in 12 hours after. Okay, here I have 1 teaspoon full of poppy seeds. Wish me luck. Okay, spoon number 2. 2 down, 4 to go. Spoon number 3. And 4. Spoon number 5. Spoon number 6. Okay, so here's our data for our experiment. And for 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, and 4 teaspoons of poppy seeds, all of our drug tests came out negative.
And when we took 6 teaspoons of poppy seeds, all of our tests came out positive, even after taking a test 20 minutes, and then it lasted up to 12 hours.
So I guess you could say that our myth was busted.
But we figured that no one would eat 6 teaspoons of poppy seeds at once a day.
So for the average everyday person, no, you can't be positive on a drug test, but in this case,